I hope you all are doing great. I'm a little low today because I want you to see my work bag collection up here, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today. Basically giving you a tour of all of the work bags that I currently have and my little setup. And I also want to show you some neat bags that will help you keep your work bags in order. So let's jump right in. So friends, before I get started, if you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome, and I would love for you to subscribe. If you love all things work organization, stationery hauls, work from home tips, I love sharing it all. So definitely come be a part of the At Work with Nikki family, and also join me on my Instagram, At Work with Nikki. So now friends, let's get into my work bags. I thought it would be fun to share with you my work bag collection, kind of what I have on hand now. One thing that you'll immediately notice is I have kind of a black thing going with my bag, and that's one thing that I tend to be drawn to because it's very professional, it goes with everything, and I just love a classic black bag, and especially for a work bag. Now, why do I have multiple work bags? It's because I love to switch it up a little bit, and also it helps with my body, because a lot of times if you carry the same bag, especially a work bag, because it can tend to be heavier than a handbag, carrying it on that same shoulder all the time cannot be good for you and for your body. And so I find that if I switch out my work bags, and sometimes I may carry my backpack work bag, sometimes I may carry my over the shoulder bag, and it really gives me some flexibility with how I really carry my bag. Along with, it just makes it fun for work to be being able to switch it up. So now let me take you through and share with you just kind of an overview of all of the bags, and then we'll talk about each one. So first of all, I am an Austin Fowler work bag fanatic. I love that company. Their bags are beautiful, they're chic, and most importantly, they last. And then, one thing about them is they incorporate the organization within the bag. So that really saves you from having to purchase additional organizational items if, need be. So I love the way their bags are set up. And so they really have a good product there. So you will find that I do have a combination of those bags. And I have 3 Austin Fowler bags, which I absolutely love. I love them, and those are really my go-to. I really love the backpack because what it does is it allows me to really just kind of throw my things in, throw it over my back, and it really is something when I'm just trying to go and be active, or I need both of my hands free. That is a great bag for me, but it's still sophisticated. It's hard to find a work bag that's a backpack that's sophisticated, and Austin Fowler has really done it with this bag here, so I love that. And I'll put their link below if you're interested. I do have an affiliate link for them, and so I will put that below if you're interested. Now, another Austin Fowler bag that I love is my just classic, and I think it's called the Duke, if I'm not familiar, but the Duke, and it's just really a beautiful bag, and I love it. And it has that gray tone in it, but it still has that classic black look. But what I love about it is on the inside, it has this just bright fuchsia color that is just a lot of fun. And that's the thing about your work bag, is to find a work bag that is just that classic look on the outside, but on the inside it gives you a burst of fun, because that for me, that's just something that I love in a work bag. And I love that Austin Fowler, with their bags, they tend to do that. You'll notice with my backpack, it is in that kind of beautiful turquoise blue that I love, and I actually have 2 bags with that interior color and that I love. And so then, of course, my classic black Austin Fowler bag. I love that, and I get so much use out of that. And I don't know if I mentioned this already, it helps with the wear and tear on my bags because I have a nice collection that works for me, because I'm switching up and I'm not really abusing one bag every single day after day. And so it really helps me kind of give some longevity to my bags. Another thing is it helps me keep them cleaned out, because when I change bags, and I don't change the bags every day or anything, but maybe every 2 weeks or so, I'll go ahead and change the bag, and it gives me the opportunity to really clear everything out and give myself a reset as I go into the office. Now, my next work bag is my BB bag, and I really don't use this one as often. This one is more so for when I need to do something on the go and I just really need that smaller work bag. I don't really want to carry a lot of things. This may be when I'm traveling. It also may be when I'm kind of working off-site, or sometimes I like to go and I like to work at a coffee shop, or you know, go sit in the parking lot with COVID and just kind of get out of my office or home environment. And so I'll go sit somewhere and just really enjoy, you know, working and getting some fresh air. And so this is the bag that I really carry when I just need that smaller version of my work bag. I'll really grab this one, but to be honest, I don't grab this one that much. And this work bag I have had for years, and I don't even remember. I want to say I got it from like TJ Maxx or somewhere like that, but I love this bag. I just think it's beautiful and the size is perfect. I love the size of it because I'm able to just kind of put my laptop, put my little bag in there, and I have plenty of room. I mean, my little compartment bags, and have plenty of room for everything else I need. So it's really just a chic bag, and it's durable. I've had this bag for, I want to say, oh, maybe 8 years now, 9 years, and it still looks new. So it's really handy, and I love the beautiful gold hardware on it. It's really a lot of fun for me. So friends, you will notice my little gold basket up on the shelf, and that's for my work bag kind of accessories, those little pouches and things that I use to organize within my bag. And a lot of times I'll keep a lot of those in the actual bag, and these are kind of the like extras, so that when I'm organizing the bag, sometimes I find, well, you know, I need another little pouch for this. I have somewhere to shop and kind of put that in there. So that is really kind of where I house that information, that stuff. And then also I do love my coffee carafes that I take with me, and those I have kind of some in silver and black, and then I have this tortoiseshell one that I got from Starbucks that I absolutely love. Or rather, let me say this. It is a Starbucks carafe, but I didn't get it from Starbucks. I got it from Amazon, and if I can find it, I'll link it below. What happened was, I saw it a couple years ago in Starbucks, thought it was absolutely beautiful, but I didn't grab it at the time. And no lie, guys, I have searched for this for about 1.5 years after that, because it was always on my mind. Every time I went to Starbucks, I should have got that carafe because I was so in love with it. And then finally, I don't know what made me check Amazon, but I found it and I was over the moon happy. So if I can find it, I'll link it below. It's a little pricey, but after 1.5 years of really wanting it, it was so well worth it. But I keep my carafes downstairs in the kitchen in a cabinet, but I do have a collection of those that I use, you know, that typically I grab, throw in my work bag when I'm headed to the office or out to work on site or something. So now I want to share with you something that I received recently from Fowler, and they sent these to me and I was so excited about it. These are their kind of packing totes for your work bag, and they're so beautiful because they will give you the option to help organize your bag by creating those compartments. So you can have one for your pens, you can have one as your tech, you know, you can have one for your personal items such as your makeup and sanitizer. You can even make a little kind of sanitizing pouch for your hand sanitizer, gloves, and mask and different things like that. So it's really just an efficient way to organize within your bag. And again, I'll put a link below to those bags because they're really, really cute. So, but friends, that's it. That is my collection. And I thought it would be fun just to kind of share with you what I am currently, or what my collection, my work bag collection currently consists of. If you found this video interesting and you want to see a tour of, you know, kind of how the interior of my current work bag look, let me know in the comments. Definitely leave me a comment below and let me know what kind of work bag are you carrying currently. What's the brand, what color, size? Let's do some sharing in those comments because I would love to read them. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.